Welcome in Ormož. Ormož lies in Prlekija, on the road between Ptuj and Gornja Radgona. It is a cultural center of Slovenske Gorice, beautiful area famous for its great wines. This small city was once an important defense line for city Ptuj, which lies just 20 kilometers away. It is hard to imagine that this lovely city could ever scare anybody. Warriors are long gone, and all that is left from the area of invasions is a small castle. Just about 2,000 people live in the city today. All of them are proud of the beautiful surrounding of the city, the great cuisine and amazing wines. Nature lovers will find their piece of heaven here. This place is a unique crossroad between unattacked nature, small hills with many vineyards, and numerous arranged paths for walking, hiking and cycling. Short hills in Slovenske Gorice are full of small villages, secluded holiday homes and touristic farms, and lowlands are crammed with different animal species that found their place in the forests. The nature of this area is what attracts most of the people. Ormož and its surroundings offer numerous opportunities for active getaways. You can take a nice walk, hike any of many hills, or enjoy the adventurous downhill with your bike. What is more, Ormož also offers active getaway for people with disabilities. This area is one of the first that have arranged 15-kilometer long road designed for people that have to discover the beautiful nature in the company of their wheelchairs. Ormož is quite a usual small city. It prides itself with a range of cute houses and some smaller flats. Just a few kilometers away from Ormož, settlement changes into solitary houses and holiday homes that are surrounded by vineyards and orchards. Those are the right choice for all who are looking for a nice solitary place or for an opportunity to get involved into a culinary or tourist industry. Check out the diverse offer of real estate in this part in Slovenia on lordea.com.